This little fellow, he's a crested bronzewing, an Australian wild pigeon. He's got a really red eye, you can see. A little top knot. They're a beautiful little guy. And when they take off, their wings create a whistling sound as they launch into the air, which is really unique. You often see them in pairs. This little guy is just foraging around on the floor here in the little patch of forest. They're very cute too. They'll if you approach them slowly, they'll just walk in front of you, always staying just out of reach. But if you try and make a sudden move, they launch into the air with this really curious whistling, and I might try and get this guy to do it. I'll pull back and I'll walk slowly towards him. You'll see how he's just staying ahead of me. I'll have to go a little bit quicker to keep up with him. Let's see if I can get him to take off. Oh, he's a brave one, this one. There you go. You see what I mean about that whistling. Very unique. Sorry mate. It's all in the name of science. Didn't mean to scare you. Anyway, that's the crested bronzewing. Aussie birds rock.